Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. Four-stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. This one is interesting. It has 10 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Okay. But you are interested in this one. 4-star Sudoku. Number 9712. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a truly 4-star Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have no ones. We have here 3 twos, 4 threes. All right. 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the threes are a majority. Can I start with a 3? Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3, okay. Then, let me see. 8, 8. 8, need an 8 here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7 there. 7 there. 7 there. Yeah. How about a 9, 9, 9? 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left to choose should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 9 here. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 5, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the second column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in the last in the third column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Then let's see. 8 and 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the last rows from the row between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. That means we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 2 goes there. Then. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 5 here. Yep. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. Need a 2 there. Okay. 3, 3. Okay. 3. Need 3 there. Come on, come on. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Need a 5 there. We have a pair. We have a pair. I believe. Six in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need 6. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. So 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 7 goes together with the 6 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. 7, 7. Yeah. Need a 5 here. And I need a 2 here. And I need a 3. Yeah. In this big square, I told you earlier, we have a pair. The 5 and the 3 in this column. The 5 and the 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and the 3, 5 and the 3, 5 and the 3. And look, we have a 5 and the 3 in the third row. So no 5 and the 3 in this box. 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 6 and a 7. Overlook this 6. We have a 6 already in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next on last column. No, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated there the 8. So the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on last column. The only place left the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this one. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9 there. Okay. 4 and 8. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Okay. So I need an 8 there. About 7. Need a 7 there. I want the 3 then. Yeah. Oh, 4 and 8. We already have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. Need a 4 here. Okay. 1, 9 and need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. No, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 to 5, we have 5 now in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third row is number 4. Here give me 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here give me 4, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here give me 4, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. And here give me 4, we have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. So the only place left with 4 in the third row should be here then. Okay. 1 and 2 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Here, 1 and the 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column. No 3 here. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, no, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and the 7 are left. In the third row, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. 1 and the 9, we have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes, and there. 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.